how you can tell the date. How you can tell the date. Yes. How to tell date. Okay, so what does date mean in English? So when you say date, like you're trying to explaining that day. Okay? You're trying to describe that day. Okay, so assuming I say, so you first analyze what is that day. Olunaku remember we looked at days last time. So for example, we have Monday and Tuesday. Okay, up to what? Up to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, up to Sunday. For instance, today is, for example, today is Monday. Okay? So today is Monday. You are saying that the day today is Monday. In Luganda we say lero lwa. So when you say lero lwa, then you add on that day. Okay? Lero lwa balaza, lero lwa Monday, oba lero. So we looked at days. Hope you remember. We said Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, up to Sunday. So if you want to say today is Monday, you just say lero lwa Monday, oba lero lusooka. Okay? So you can say today is, then you add on that day. Are we together? So when you are mentioning out dates, you don't say today is one. No, we say first, second, third, fourth, up to infinity. Are we together? Okay, so we say first, second, third, and fourth. So today is first, for instance. Today is first. So when I put this up, lero lwa Monday, lero lwa Sunday. So you say today is, then you add on that day. Or you can say today is second, today is third. Ketugamba, today is 3. No, we say today is third, today is fourth, like that. Okay? So I think we shall proceed from there tomorrow. We've grasped that for now. Okay?